Hello, Rob here again. This is my review of the Graves Fender Eliminator kit for Kawasaki Z9. This thing is awesome. My last bike, my R6, I bought a Yoshimura, and this is way nicer. Plus, it took the stock turn signals, which saved me a little money, and they look fine on there. It went on very easily. You do have to tie a wire in for the plate light. It's not a big deal, but you need to have a tester to figure out which is the right wire. The thing is clean looking, it's sturdy. You see some burnout right over there. Don't try that at home, kids. But yeah, I really like it. Way better than the giant praying mantis that used to hang off the back of the thing. Great kit. Good job, Graves.